Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger from all devices. First step is launch your Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then scroll down and select account setting. Scroll to the security and login option and click on it. You can see where you are login section. Click on that, see more. Select the messenger section you would like to log out. Click on the three vertical dots next to the location where you want to log out. Tap on logout button that appear at the bottom.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.